Hi everyone, welcome back to Hari's Educational Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about relative clauses. Relative clause is introduced by relative pronouns and relative adverbs. Relative pronouns combines two clauses into one sentence. Let us see here relative pronoun who, how to combine the two sentences with relative pronoun who. Here, for example, Ram is a good man, full stop, he is a teacher. That is the given question. You have to combine these two sentences with the help of who. So before going to combine the sentences, you have to do the thing is read the two sentences carefully. After that, identify the related words in the two sentences. Here the related words in the two sentences are Ram and he. In the first sentence, related word is Ram, second sentence he. And the next step is you have to remove the related word in the second sentence. Here the related word in the second sentence is pronoun he. You have to remove this and add the relative pronoun given in the question who. After that you have to make the second sentence as a clause. Add this clause after the noun in the first sentence. The answer is Ram, who is a teacher, is a good man. Hope all of you understood how to combine the sentence by using relative pronoun who. Let us see first example. This is Hari, he works hard. Here also same thing. Related words are Hari and he. You have to remove he and add who and then make the second sentence as a clause. Add this entire clause after the noun Hari. The answer is this is Hari who works hard. And second example, I saw Rani, she is my friend. Here in these two sentences, the related words are Rani and she. You have to remove she and add who and make the second sentence as a clause. Add this entire clause after subject, after Rani. So the answer is I saw Rani, who is my friend. Last sentence, I like Rani, she is a teacher. Here also she is the related word in second sentence. It related to Rani in the first sentence. So you have to remove she and add who. Then it becomes clause who is my friend. This clause should be added after Rani. The answer is I like Rani who is a teacher. Hope all of you understood how to combine the sentence with who. Let us see whose. The captain praised Ramu, full stop. His bowling was good. Here the related words are Ramu, his. Here you have to do the thing is remove the pronoun in second sentence and add the related pronoun given in the question whose. So the second sentence becomes clause. You have to add this clause after Ramu. The answer is the captain praised Ramu whose bowling was good. And second example, I saw a girl, her eyes were blue. Here in this sentence, I saw a girl. Girl is the related word to her in the second sentence. There you have to remove her and add whose. Then it becomes clause. This clause should be added after the girl. I saw a girl whose eyes were blue. Hope all of you understood how to combine the two sentences with whose. Let us see about which. The book is new. My father bought it. Here first you have to identify the related words. Here in first sentence the book, second sentence it. It means here nothing but book. So you have to do the thing is remove the pronoun in second sentence, add the related word, add the relative pronoun which, and then you have to make the second sentence as a clause. In order to make the sentence clause, you have to use the relative pronoun first in the beginning. So if you use the related pronoun in the beginning, relative pronoun in the beginning, the clause is whose. Here listen, which my father bought. That is the clause. So the answer is the book which my father bought is new. Once again, observe the two sentences carefully, listen carefully. First sentence is the book is new. Second sentence is my father bought it. Here it is related to the book. So you need to do the thing is remove it and add which, and you have to write which in the beginning of the second sentence, because here you have to do is you should make the second sentence as a class. To make the second sentence as a class, you have to use relative pronoun in the beginning of the sentence. So the class is which my father bought. Use entire class after the book. So the answer is the book which my father bought is new. Second example, we live in a beautiful house. It was in Hyderabad. Here, beautiful house and it, these two are related words. You have to remove it and add which. The answer is we live in a beautiful house which was in Hyderabad. Third one, the snake was very long. I saw it yesterday. Here, first sentence the snake, second sentence it. These two are related words. You have to remove it and use which. At the same time, you have to make the second sentence as a class. So to make the sentence as a class, you have to use relative pronoun in the beginning of the sentence. So the class is which I saw yesterday. You have to use this entire class after the related word in the first sentence, the snake. So the answer is the snake which I saw yesterday was very long. Hope all of you understood how to combine which also. Let us see whom. I saw Ram, I gave him a book. Here the related words are Ram, him. You have to remove him and add whom, and at the same time you have to make the second sentence as a class. The class is whom I gave a book. So add this entire class after Ram. The answer is I saw Ram whom I gave a book. And second sentence, I met a man, full stop, he was an old soldier. Here a man and he, these two are related words. The second sentence pronoun, you should remove this and add whom, so that it becomes class. That class should be added after a man. The answer is I met a man who was an old soldier. Hope all of you understood how to combine the sentence with the given relative pronouns. Here I have given one example. Try to write the answer in the comment box. Those who know the answer, you can write it in the comment box. If you have any doubts or if you want to give any suggestions, you can post it in comment box. The question is, I had a car, full stop, Ram gave it to me. You need to combine the sentence with the relative pronoun which. Hope all of you understood how to combine relative classes, how to combine the sentences by using these relative pronouns. Thank you all for watching this video.